Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to create a parametric furniture system of a dining table. All right, so start off, let's create a new family. And this time I'm going to select metric furniture system and let's click on open. All right, so we'll create our table here and also add some legs, and then we will bring in our chairs into this family. So what you can do is you can create some reference planes and then some dimensions. So let's click on reference plane here and let's create some reference planes. And then tap DI on your keyboard, which is the align dimension tool, and then create some dimensions as well. Make sure this is equal and this is equal as well. This would be the width and this would be the depth. Now, some cases we also call this as the length and this as the width. You can use the version that works best for you. So I'm going to select this dimension, click on create parameter and call this the width, or you can also call this the table width. Let's make all of these an instance parameter. If I make it an instance parameter, you get the ability to extend the table with these arrows here if they are instance parameters. So let's make all of these parameters as instance parameters. So select this dimension as well and call this the table depth. Perfect. Now we can create the reference planes in the inside so that we can add our legs as well. So let's create some reference planes here. So RP to create reference planes. And let's create our dimension from our strong reference plane to our weak reference plane. Now, in case your lines are overlapping, you can simply select them and move them a bit up. Similarly, we need some reference planes here as well. Always go from the strong reference plane to the weak reference plane. Now select all of these dimensions here and make sure to create a parameter. Now this would be called the leg offset. This can be a type parameter since we would not be changing the leg offset much. So let's leave it as a type parameter. Perfect. So now we have our bare bones in place, our reference planes and dimensions. We also need to add these reference planes and dimensions in our front view. So let's go to the front view, tap RP, and let's create a reference plane above here. Let's create a dimension DI and let's select this reference plane to this reference plane here. Now this would be the table height and this can be a type parameter as well.